Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about our next writ, that is quo warranto writ. Literally the term quo warranto writ means what is our authority? What is our authority to do a certain particular act? Quo warranto is a special form of legal action used to resolve a dispute over whether a specific person has the legal right to hold the public office that he or she occupies. मीन्स क्यू वारंटो रिट एक ऐसी रिट है जो किसी पर्सन के अगेंस्ट और किसी पर्सन से क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं कि आपने जो पब्लिक ऑफिस होल्ड किया है वो ऑफिस आपने किस लीगल एक्शन और किस लीगल राइट से उस पोजीशन को होल्ड किया है. क्लियर? क्यू वारंटो इज यूज्ड टू टेस्ट अ पर्सन्स लीगल राइट टू होल्ड एन ऑफिस, नॉट टू इवेलुएट द पर्सन परफॉर्मेंस इन द ऑफिस. सिंपली क्यू वारंटो रिट्स पर्सन के सिर्फ एक उस राइट को चेक कर रही है कि वेदर दैट पर्सन हैज़ अ राइट टू ऑक्यूपाई और होल्ड दैट पब्लिक ऑफिसर और नॉट. इसमें पर्सन की परफॉर्मेंस से रिलेटेड कुछ भी इवेलुएट नहीं हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ पर्सन ऑफ 62 ईयर हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड टू fill a public office, whereas we know the retirement age of the person is 58 years. Now the appropriate High Court has a right to issue a writ of quo warranto against the person and declare the office vacant because the retirement age of the person is 8 years and person is still appointed as a public officer, appointed as the public officer even at the age of 62 years. So the conditions for to quo warranto. First condition is the office needs to be a public office created by a statutes. Quo warranto writ is issued only if the office is a public office. Second, a private person should have occupied the office wrongfully. Third condition is the office must have a public duty to perform. The person must be using the office. These are the conditions for quo warranto. Now, writ of quo warranto can also be issued against a person who was initially qualified to occupy the office but later on become disqualified but still hold the office. Same example means when a person, जब कोई पर्सन 58 ईयर्स तक पब्लिक ऑफिस में होल्ड रहता है, पोजीशन पे वर्क करता है, देन इट इज़ फाइन. बट आफ्टर 58 ईयर्स 59, 60, 61, 62, देन इफ स्टिल ही इज इन अ सेम पोजीशन, देन गवर्नमेंट तब उस पर्सन के अगेंस्ट रिट ऑफ क्यू वारंटोज इशू हो सकती है. क्लियर टू यू? नाउ बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्टिकल 32 एंड आर्टिकल 2 to 6. First basic difference. Limit article under article 32, Supreme Court has a limited power, whereas under article 2 to 6, High Courts have wider power. Here the limited power means violation of fundamental rights. Only then writ petition filed in a Supreme Court. Means if there is a violation of a fundamental rights of any person, then a writ petition is filed by a Supreme Court under Article 32. Whereas in a High Court, violation of a fundamental rights and ordinary rights, writ petition filed in a high court. Second difference is jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Article 32 empower the Supreme Court to issue writ all over the India. Therefore, the Supreme Court has a broader territorial jurisdiction. Whereas under Article 2 to 6 empower the High Court to issue a writ in its own local jurisdiction only. So, High Court has a narrow territorial jurisdiction. Third difference is related to a discretionary power. Since Article 32 is a fundamental right, the same cannot be refused by the Supreme Court. Whereas under Article 2 to 6 confer discretionary power to the High Court, which means it is not at the discretion of the High Court to issue a writ or not. Thank you so much.